the talk in football these days seems to be about the video assistant referee system, VAR. The intention of getting more correct decisions right is good. The problem most people are having with VAR, especially in the English Premier League, is in the use and interpretation of the system by the very referees who VAR is supposed to be helping. The system in and of itself cannot be blamed for the confusion. There are multiple television cameras from various angles that adequately cover almost every centimeter of the football pitch. But the cameras cannot make the calls. It is the administrators who set the parameters for the use of VAR, and especially the referees who are still making wrong calls after using VAR, and them are the problem. Why, for example, call for a VAR review if the assistant viewing the replays cannot or is unwilling to overturn the on-field decision, even when the blind can see that the decision should be overturned? That is defeating the intended purpose of VAR. Right now, the use of VAR, especially in England, is rife with mixed signals, conflicting interpretations, and ultimate confusion. We can only hope and pray that these chinks will be ironed out over time. But one thing for sure, VAR cannot help referees who don't understand the game, who are dishonest, and who don't have common sense. VAR just don't go that far.